What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Kim Koo. We are at the Santa Clarita, the Nike Clearance Center. There's like very few of these throughout the U.S., and we are lucky enough to, or I'm lucky enough to live near one. So we are gonna see what deals they got. I was able to score some really sweet what are they? The Nike Odyssey React Shield or something. I don't know. I got some dope React shoes for $40 last week, so I'm hoping I can find something sick. We'll see what happens. Let's go check it out. I have never been here and never seen so few Jordans in the size 10. This is crazy. This is crazy. Crazy. Oh, the lift off. I thought these were like the 7s or 8s or something. Nothing. No Jordans. Not even any slides. Holy crap. Not even any slides. That's just crazy. Not even any slides. Nothing. It's gonna be an interesting trip. Oh, I guess they got these boots. So they got them down the price. $129. Jordan 9 boots. Not bad. Nothing really crazy interesting. 89, 30% off. Oh, they do have 30% off. There's a 30% off all footwear. Oh, they got these. Shield. I don't have it in the React anymore. One of the Reacts that I got on Father's Day last Sunday. They really do not have much, dude. I don't even know what to film. $100, $270s. Oh, what are those? Some boots. Some 97s. Air Max 97s. Weird color. Brown colorway. Literally nothing. Just a lot of nothing. Nothing like, seriously, I've never seen. Almost everything gets sold out. Let's check the 10.5. Check the 10.5. Check the 10.5. Since I can wear some 10.5s. Those are some 312s. Yeah, 312, $90. Some runners. Some 2 deconstructs. Some suede material. $50. That's pretty cheap. Oh, 33s. 33s. Wow, $95, $95. Oh, I can't believe these are $95. That is 30% off on top of that. What colorway is that? Desert or white? Ooh, desert or white, black. What the hell? Well, I'm gonna try these on. Try these on. $70, dude. I don't think they fit though. They're a little big. You know, Jordans weren't big. I wear size 10, so I don't think these are gonna work. Makes me so sad. Can't do, you guys. Gotta let it go. Just so cheap, Under $70. Under $70, but can't do it. Can't do it. They just don't fit right. We're still in the 10.5. Look at this. $35, 30% off or some. Oh, what the hell these are called? Air Versatile 2. Yeah, dude, $30. Probably less than $30. Less than $30, 30% off. Wow, $20-something. $20-something bucks. That's the Vapor Max. That's a Vapor Max for $129. 270s. The 70s, the Vapor Max are what, $129. 70 bucks for some Odyssey Reacts. Vomeros. 14s. These are super comfortable. Got the React cushioning with the Zoom. Air Zoom, I believe. Zoom Air. Oh, damn. Odyssey React 2 flatness for 70 bucks. 10.5. They do have some Odyssey Reacts for 70 bucks. Those are pretty comfortable. Those are super comfortable. And those are the ones I got for 50 bucks. They don't have them that cheap today. So I am in the size 12. Look what we got here. Look what we got. Look at that. We got some cap and gowns. Cap and gowns, you guys already know. Everybody's been talking so much smack about how terrible the leather is. I'm getting curious. I don't know. I don't see it to be that bad. I just don't see it to be that bad. If they had a size 10, man, I'd be all up on it. All up on it. That's it. So it's going for 230% off. It'd be 140. I'm pretty sure I'd be getting these for 140. Definitely be getting these for 140. They got some why not 0.1s. I don't really see much else. Got some 312s. 312s going for what is it? 79 plus 30% off. They got some more 0.1s. This is size 12, by the way. Size 12. Got some futures. Future lows 75, 30% off. Yeah, oh, they got some pennies. I got me some of these here like a month ago. 80 bucks. Ooh. Yeah, it's retail. Looks like it's retail for 30% off. Oh my goodness. Look, like, man, finding everything in size 12 and coming out. Look. 105 for some turbos, man. 35 turbos. One of the best material that Nike has. Got that Zoom X. Oh my goodness. Got the dope racing stripe on it. Looks super fast. Oh my goodness. Size 12.5 though. Size 12.5, man. This is something that you could be reselling for what? 70 something. Sell that for over 100 bucks. Too bad I don't resell. That's some profit. Look, cheaper than that. Cheaper than the 55 right there. That thing is a steal. And we got resellers. They are not looking. They are not looking because all kinds of stuff. Size 13. We got some Air Max 270 ISPAs. These are kind of weird looking, but dang, 105 plus 30% off. They got stuff, just not in my size. They got all kinds of stuff here. So we're back in the 10/10.5. It's like 10 over there, and then 10.5 here. Usually, I don't know. I guess they got a influx of 10.5. But look, they got some Zoom Fly knits for 94 something, 95, which. Alright, plus 30% off. But look at this. Look at this. Pegasus 35 Turbo 130. 30% off. Oh my goodness. This is the color that I love too. Look at this shit, dude. Look at this. Zoom X, man. Finally got some of my size. I'm about to try it out. Try it out. So I tried these on. They got little, I don't know if you guys could see it, but they got look. It's like torn already. It's a little ripped. Super comfortable. But I'm not gonna pay over $100 for a shoe that's a little ripped. Especially, yeah. I think it would probably be like $97 or something after the. Yeah, but those are sick pair of shoes. But still searching. Nike has some weird issues with their pricing. I bought these bad boys for $49.99, 20% off last week. Last Sunday. It was less than a week ago. And obviously it's a different size, but wow, that's crazy. It's crazy. We're in a size 8 and 8.5. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. That's the 270s. Oh, that's retail. That's retail price right there. 30% off though. 30% off though. Yeah, really not much here. What is this? Some Air Max 97s. So they had all kinds of heat, all kinds of good stuff at the clearance center, but fortunately I wasn't able to cop nothing because I wanted them. The Pegasus turbos, but I just couldn't pay. I can pay $135. I think it was like what, $95 or something. After the 30% off, I just couldn't pay that much for some shoes where the seams were coming, like the seams were coming loose already. Not the seams, but the midsole was already coming off. What do you guys think? Let me know, because I'm wondering if I should have got them, but I don't know. I just feel like when you pay $100 for a pair of shoes, it really should be in perfect condition. So I don't know. Let me know. They had a bunch of stuff. They had a bunch of other stuff, but none of them were really in my size. Like the size 12 section had all kinds of stuff. So hope you guys liked the video. If you guys like what you see, I promise I'll be putting up plenty of more content. Make sure you smash on that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.